Welcome to GP Bikes. Here we are with the two 848s. We're about to take them out on a little bit of a demo ride. Ken Levingstin, our resident racer, is coming with us. He's going to show you what he can do. We're going to enjoy these bikes. This is the Corsa edition, and this is the 848 Evo Stealth. Also, keep in mind, there's only a few 2013s left. There is a $1,000 Ducati accessory rebate on these bikes till the end of September. So don't miss this opportunity to get that great savings. Now we're going to go for a ride.